Even though my YouTube channel is a bit small, I have 5 tips that probably will help you grow your Twitch channel. Okay, so tip number 1. Make yourself a YouTube channel and a TikTok channel and make videos. Start to produce content. You see, how Twitch works, it's that they will take those channels with the most viewers and put them on top. So sadly, when you're starting off your first live stream, you will most likely have like 2-3 viewers, even 0. And since Twitch works the way it does, people will sadly not take the time to scroll all the way from 10,000 viewers and all the way to find your channel. So that's why I say make content, get a following, and tell those followers, hey, tomorrow I'm gonna be live at probably 8. Come on, watch my stream. And let's say as an example, you have 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. If you post a video the day before and tell them, hey, tomorrow I'm gonna be live, hopefully at least 50 people will join your stream the next day when you're live, and Twitch will be like, hey, this channel is growing. And when they do, you will be higher up on the list and random people from Twitch will see your channel and click. And now you will have 51 viewers. Yay! And you can always grab content either from your live streams or from an old YouTube video, and you can make it into a TikTok, and you can have more content out there so people will discover you. And you can repeat the process. Take those viewers and tell them, hey, tomorrow once again I will be live 8 o'clock, come on and watch. And before you know it, you will have 100 views on Twitch and you're a partner and it will be fine. Tips number 2, find your niche. That's the number 1 problem that people face when they are starting to make content. And to find your niche can sometimes be really hard because you don't have a clue what a niche is, and you don't know what to make from a video, and you don't know how to do stuff. But it can be easy. Just take something that you already love and like. As an example, if you're a huge Super Mario fan, make videos about Super Mario. In that way, you're not only doing something that you really like, you will find the right viewers that will watch you because they also like Super Mario. Tips number 3. When you have figured out what types of videos you want to make, stick to it. Make those videos continuously and make more of them. Because if you make all sorts of videos, you will end up having all sorts of different viewers, and they will get confused and people fall off and they don't watch your content anymore. This YouTube channel, as an example, started out as a gaming channel, and then it turned slowly into a Minecraft channel, and then I was talking about gaming news, and now I'm talking about Twitch. Because even though gaming is really fun to me, I have realized that probably isn't the best for me to do on YouTube. So now I have switched my content once again from playing video games and talking about games to now talk about content creators and Twitch streamers and tips. So even though it's been taking me a while to figure out what I want to do on this channel, I have finally figured it out, hopefully, because it doesn't really matter. You will have to figure out your own content and your own niche. Next tip, just have fun. Do not care about views, do not care about money, just share your videos to your friends, share your live streams to your friends, and everything will be good. You see, if you focus too much on your numbers, you will just get lost in the numbers, and when they don't meet your expectations, you will get sad and it's not fun at all. So drop the numbers, don't care about money, just have fun. Because remember, even the biggest Twitch streamers wouldn't have done what they are doing if it wasn't fun. If they were waking up every single day and be like, oh, I have to stream today, they wouldn't do it. That was my tips. Remember to leave an emoji in the comment section, or if you got any good tips, leave them in the comment section. The next video I will be trying to make on NMP LOL or Nick and Malena. And yeah, subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. It's beyond, peace out, bye bye, goodbye.